Hi guys, it's me smiling again from the IELTS Workshop. Today I am here to give you some speaking sample answer for the IELTS Speaking Test Part 3. So, here are the questions that I would like to introduce to you today. There are 6 questions in total, and question number 1 would be what do we need to prepare when we need to cook food? Question number 2, do you agree that food is an important part of festivals and ceremonies? Question number 3, what dishes are a must at festivals? Question number 4, should students learn to cook at home? Question number 5, do you think that cooking should be compulsory or an elective course, and why? And question number 6, are there any differences between cooking today and in the past? So now let's get started. For question number 1, what do we need to prepare when we need to cook food? Well, to prepare for cooking, we'll need a few essential items. Firstly, we need to ensure we have all the ingredients listed in our recipe. Next, we'll require basic kitchen tools such as a knife, cutting board, pots and pans. We should also check whether our stove and oven are working. We should not forget about spices for flavor as well. By having all these elements in place, we can make cooking smoother and more enjoyable. So now for question number 2, do you agree that food is an important part of festivals and ceremonies? Well, the answer will be certainly food holds great importance in festivals and ceremonies, serving as a central element that brings people together. It symbolizes celebration, cultural identity, and also tradition, which fosters community and social connections. Specific dishes often carry symbolic significance, adding meaning to festivities and are also contributing to the overall joyous atmosphere. So now for question number 3, which dishes are a must at festivals? In Vietnamese festivals, culinary delights take center stage. Bánh Trưng, a square sticky rice cake symbolizing prosperity, and Gỏi Cuốn, fresh spring rolls with shrimp and herbs are must-haves. Also phở, a fragrant noodle, soup, and bún chả featuring grilled pork with noodles are festival staples. And the diverse array of sticky rice cake and savory bánh xèo crepes further enriches the festive culinary experience. So now the next question, should students learn to cook at home? Certainly, learning to cook at home is a valuable skill for students. Beyond the obvious health benefits of being able to prepare nutritious meals, it instills a sense of independence and self-reliance. As a student transitions into adulthood, having the ability to cook ensures they can make healthier food choices even on a tight budget. Moreover, cooking at home provides a creative outlet, allowing individuals to experiment with flavors and develop a deeper appreciation for diverse cuisines. And also the next question is, do you think that cooking should be compulsory or an elective course, and why? The answer is whether cooking should be compulsory or an elective course depends on various factors, but introducing it as a compulsory course could be beneficial as it equips individuals with essential life skills, encourages healthier eating habits, and also promotes the self-sufficiency, contributing to the overall well-being and independence. After all, it is still a practical life skill that not only contributes to personal well-being but also cultivates a sustainable and mindful approach to nutrition and lifestyle choices. And the next question is, are there any differences between cooking today and in the past? Well, cooking has evolved significantly over time due to advancements in kitchen appliances and technologies. Globalization has led to a variety of culinary styles and increased reliance on pre-packaged foods. However, there is a growing push to preserve and revive old cooking techniques to reconnect with the cultural history. The dynamic nature of cooking activities today is shaped by these changes compared to the historical methods. So, that is the end of the speaking sample that I would like to give you today. So, thank you for your time watching my video and see you next time.